word detectives? I've seen you somewhere recently. Where was that? Oh, right, it was in the video just a few minutes ago. So today we have a couple new snap words to add. And what's really exciting is we only have two snap words, and they're itty bitty, teeny tiny, and I bet they're words that you already know. So I'm excited to add these to our word wall today. I think this is going to be super short, super quick, because I think you already know these words. But either way, we're going to go through the process and we're going to add them. So let's take a look at our first one. How many of you already know this word? Go ahead, read it. If. Very good. All right, simple, simple. Let's study it. If. Well, there's a short I. Makes a short I sound, and an F that makes the sound. If. Yeah, easy peasy. All right, let's spell it together. I-F. Again, easy peasy. All right, now we're going to cover, write, and check. So go ahead and grab your camera, take a quick snapshot, and I'm going to cover it up, and I want you to write it. Should be very quick. All right, let's check it. And if I'm going too quickly, you can always just pause. There we go. It's the word if. I-F. If you wrote I-F, give yourself a thumbs up. And let's practice using it in a sentence. You may have cake if you want. Your teacher might want to pause here and see if you have any additional sentences to add that use the word if. All right, one down, one to go. You ready for the next one? Tell me if you know this one too. Thumbs up. Guys, it's or. Let's read it together. Or. Now, it's a little trickier than if. We're going to talk about that. So let's go ahead and study it. Or, what do you notice? Well, two letters, both short letters. We have a vowel and a consonant. What do you hear? Or. What's that O doing? Kind of making its long sound, right? Saying its name. Or. Now, there's no E at the end. There's no mysterious silent E that's making that O say its name. This is what we would call an outlier or a trickster. So we have to pay careful attention when we're looking at this word that we're saying that O sound. Or. Good. All right, take a quick snapshot. I'm going to cover it up. I want you to write it on your board. Okay. Let's check it. If you wrote lowercase o or in lowercase r, give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. All right, and let's take a look at it in a sentence. Do you like milk or water? There's that word or. All right, those words are going to come up in some new phonics lessons that we have coming up quickly. So thank you for going through those two words with me. I will put them and highlight them on our virtual word wall. And if you're at Avery, your teachers will put them on the word wall in their classroom. For if and or. All right, guys, I will see you back for some more detective work very soon. Maybe if I can actually close out of this.